Yes, hello. I guess we're live. Someone please do confirm I'm alive or not. So, let yes. So hi everyone, welcome back once again to Daily Life. So exactly what does we do? We go live and share a couple of job openings. Today is 5 to 2025. 5 फरवरी है भाई क्या क्या खा रहा 2026 में just let me know in the comment box. Now let me start this a disclaimer which means whatever job openings I'm going to say with you just authenticate from your end because I don't want you to be a part of any scam. So let me start. Even drop a like. This is the first opening that we have, which is for the SOC L1 freshers, right? The absolute freshers can do those who are having basic knowledge. So they say it's in computer. It's a walk-in interview, right? It means you need to walk to the location, and then that will be offline interview. You can scan this QR. You can apply from here, and yes, you can walk in and sit in the interview. Company name is BC Buzz Technology. It's in Bank near Computer, right? Now, next company is there is a again walk-in interview in cybersecurity role, right? And the company is Inspire Enterprise, right? So they want SOC person, right? Those who should have knowledge of Sentinel one, all those things. 3 years of experience is required, and 7th and 8th February is the date. 10 a.m. to 3 p.m. will be timing on which you can walk an interview. It's in Pune, right? Meanwhile, if you want to learn about web application security operations center, you can check out this URL because here you will get 100% internship, right, for the experience and learning purpose. So if you want to apply for this role, I'll just tell you a hack: just mail each and everyone, right? These are the mails of the company, people those who are working, those who are hiring, right? So just mail each and everyone, and probably someone will be going to respond to you. Now the next opening is again the same. Next opening is basically in Mumbai, and it's again for the freshers doesn't mean you have zero knowledge, it like you have 1 year's experience minimum. So this required 1 to 5 years of experience. It's on Mumbai can for the Mumbai candidate only. API web application pen testing, all those knowledge required, the other skills which he required, and this is the link, like it's on naukri.in, knock.in, right? So from there you can do. Next is again the same. Next is cybersecurity operation incident response analyst, Saudi Arabia. 6 months of renewable contract is there. It's a Saudi Arabia based job. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. So just check it out. You know, that's what we have. Thank you very much for watching this video. Just check this URL if you want to apply for the interview. Thank you.